everyone, and welcome back to another episode. Today, we're diving into a topic that's critical for the success of modern organizations: building resilient teams in 2025. Resilience isn't just about bouncing back from setbacks. It's about thriving in the face of change, uncertainty, and challenges. In an era where the workplace is constantly evolving, resilience has become a cornerstone of successful teams. Before we jump into today's video, I want to take a moment to thank all of you who have subscribed to the channel. I know about 20% of my viewers are subscribed, so if you haven't subscribed yet but want to receive notifications each time I post a new video, click the subscribe button and toggle the notification bell. Given today's video, let's hear a word from our friends at Exam Edge. Exam Edge specializes in realistic online practice tests with detailed feedback for every question. This means you're not just memorizing answers, you're actually mastering the material, which is key to acing your exam. One of their most popular categories is human resources, offering bundles of 1, 5, 10, or even 15 practice tests for certifications like the SHRM CP and PHR. Personally, I choose the 10 or 15 test bundle. You get more questions for a better rate and even bonus freebies. What sets them apart for me is the unlimited access to unique questions. With over 1,300 for the SHRM CP alone, you'll be well prepared and confident for exam day. For the remainder of the month of January, you can use my code JAN10 for 10% off your order of 5 or more practice tests using my links below. Thank you to Exam Edge for working with me for today's video. Without any further ado, let's dive in. Psychological safety is the cornerstone of resilience. When team members feel safe to voice their ideas, share concerns, and admit mistakes without fear of judgment or reprisal, they are more likely to engage fully and contribute meaningfully. HR professionals can cultivate this environment by training leaders to model vulnerability, actively listen, and respond to feedback constructively. Encouraging open dialogue through regular team meetings or anonymous surveys can also help surface concerns and foster trust. Moreover, psychological safety involves inclusivity. Leaders should ensure that everyone, regardless of their role or background, feels valued and heard. When employees know their input is respected and considered, they're more likely to take calculated risks and innovate. Over time, this builds a culture where resilience is the norm rather than the exception. Resilient teams thrive on strong emotional intelligence as it equips them to navigate challenges with empathy and understanding. A involves self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills, all essential traits for managing conflict and maintaining collaboration under pressure. HR can support the development of these skills through workshops, coaching, and role-playing scenarios that simulate real-world challenges. When leaders and employees possess high EQ, they can better anticipate and respond to the emotional needs of their teams. For example, a manager who notices signs of burnout can address the issue proactively by redistributing workloads or providing additional support. By embedding A into the organizational culture, teams become more adaptable and cohesive even during turbulent times. Employee well-being is a foundational element of resilience. Teams that are physically, mentally, and emotionally healthy are better equipped to handle challenges and maintain high performance. Comprehensive wellness programs should go beyond traditional offerings like gym memberships to include mental health resources, mindfulness training, and flexible work arrangements. For example, providing access to therapy or stress management workshops can empower employees to manage anxiety and maintain focus during periods of uncertainty. Flexible work options, such as remote work or flexible hours, give employees the autonomy to balance their professional and personal lives effectively. By prioritizing wellness, HR creates an environment where employees can bring their best selves to work, even in the face of adversity. Adaptive thinking is a critical skill for resilience, enabling employees to approach problems with creativity and flexibility. In a fast-changing workplace, this skill can mean the difference between stagnation and innovation. HR can facilitate adaptive thinking by organizing training sessions that encourage employees to think outside the box, solve problems collaboratively, and embrace change as an opportunity rather than a threat. For example, role-playing exercises and simulations can help employees practice responding to unexpected scenarios in real time. This not only improves their ability to adapt, but also builds confidence in their problem-solving abilities. Over time, fostering a culture of adaptive thinking ensures that teams remain agile and effective, regardless of external pressures. In a rapidly evolving world, continuous learning is essential for resilience. Teams that regularly acquire new skills and knowledge are better equipped to adapt to change and seize opportunities. HR can support this by creating learning and development programs tailored to individual and organizational needs. These might include access to online courses, mentorship opportunities, or certifications in emerging fields. Additionally, creating a culture of learning can help employees feel empowered and engaged. When team members see that their growth is a priority, they are more likely to take ownership of their roles and contribute meaningfully. Over time, this focus on development builds a resilient workforce capable of navigating the complexities of 2025 and beyond. A clear and compelling vision acts as a stabilizing force for teams, particularly during times of uncertainty. When employees understand how their work contributes to the organization's goals, they are more likely to stay motivated and focused, even when challenges arise. HR can play a key role in reinforcing this connection by regularly communicating the company's mission, vision, and values through team meetings, newsletters, and other communication channels. Leaders should also model these values in their daily interactions, setting an example for their teams to follow. When employees see alignment between the organization's stated values and its actions, they are more likely to trust leadership and remain committed to their work. This shared sense of purpose fosters resilience by giving teams a clear sense of direction and meaning. Building resilient teams in 2025 requires a holistic approach that addresses psychological, emotional, and structural factors. By implementing strategies like promoting psychological safety, fostering strong connections, and investing in technology, HR professionals can lay the foundation for teams that not only endure challenges but emerge stronger from them. Remember, resilience isn't just a trait. It's a skill that can be developed and nurtured. Together, let's create workplaces where resilience is second nature and success is inevitable.